I wonder when it'll hatch. Dark blue, scared. Oh, it's scared. Oh. That bottom of egg will make a loud sound.
Right.
Make a loud sound. Oh, when it stops, you need to hold it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I felt a little tap. Oh my god. Oh, I can see where it pecked.
Where?
Oh, it stopped. I need to hold it. Oh, there it goes. You can see where it's pecking. Hold it. You can see little beak marks. Alright, gotta hold it. Gracie, it's hot.
Say I am
Wait.
good. Lala.
No, hold that and say la la.
Lala.
No, keep hold of it. Now release.
Elise.
Right.
Lala.
Can I have a turn? Oh god, I did. Right, ready? Watch this. Look, it spins when you clap too.
So there we have it. There is our Hatchimals video. I hope you enjoyed. I must say, I think it's a must-have toy for Christmas. What do you think, girls?
Oh, I quite like it.
They've they love it. They've enjoyed playing with it all the time. So if you like the video, do hit that like button. Comment down below on what you think of the Draggle and if you're going to buy one. And I hope you subscribe. Bye.